Number 1 recommended original equipment replacement choice for Asian minivans. Material, chrome. Specifically calibrated to help restore the original handling and control characteristics of the Honda Odyssey. Uses a seamless working cylinder matched with a Teflon-coated piston band for a positive seal and longer life. Triple chrome-plated piston rod and multi-lip oil seals that reduce wear. Solid seamless mounting eye-rings and bolt bushings to eliminate rattles. Ride comfort may be important, but restoring a vehicle's ride control, stability, stopping, lane change responsiveness and handling is critical. KYB Excel G-Shocks struts are designed for the most important performance purpose, restoring the vehicle's original capabilities. KYB is a world-leading supplier of shocks and struts to new vehicle manufacturers, and the Excel G is made on the very same KYB OE assembly lines, uses the same OE quality components and is calibrated to restore original, design performance, not change it. That has earned Excel G the classification OEA, original equipment for the aftermarket. The KYB Excel G is a nitrogen gas-charged, twin-tube design that includes every quality component that our global OEM products include, and it is the preferred choice for Asian vehicles. Top reviews from the United States. 2012 Honda Odyssey fits perfect. Box was beat up on delivery but no damage to shocks. Installed within 45 minutes or so. Longest time I spent was getting the jack stands in place. No noticeable ride difference from original OEM. One of my shocks started to leak, hence replacing both rear shocks.